Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to customize your product page using Shopify 2.0. With Shopify's new online store 2.0 features, you now have more flexibility and control to create a unique shopping experience. Let's dive in. First of all, let's log into your Shopify store and head over to Admin Dashboard. From here, click Products in the left sidebar. Select any product you want to customize or add a new product. Wait a minute, I will import product from my desktop. From here, click Products in the sidebar, then select any product you want to customize. Then click Import Products. If you haven't added product yet, you can quickly add one from this page. Just click Add Product, give it a name, description, photos, price, inventory, etc. Once you are on the product page, you will see a few key sections like title, description, images, pricing, and inventory. Now let's get into customizing. Shopify 2.0 allows you to use sections and blocks to customize your product page layout. These tools give you more design flexibility than ever before. Click on Customize on the top right corner or click Preview. You will be taken to your live store preview where you can start customizing. You will notice the sections panel on the left, or click More Action or Share, or go to Online Store from the left sidebar and choose your theme and click Customize. Now you will notice the sections panel on the left. Each section represents a different part of the page: product details, images, reviews, related products, etc. You can add new sections or customize the existing ones. Let's say you want to add a custom content block beneath the product description to showcase customer reviews or additional product features. Click Add Section. In the left side, you will see options like text, image, video, and more. Choose a custom HTML block for something more personalized, or custom liquid. Add a title like what's special about this product. Double click on it and click from liquid code section and insert the text or HTML code to display specific details. You can also add images and videos by simply dragging them into the content blocks. Images are crucial For product pages to make your product app pop, ensure you use high quality images in Shopify 2.0. You can customize how images are displayed using text, image with text, blocks, or the gallery section. Go to editor homepage, then click add section. Here, image with text or gallery section. You can add multiple images that show different angle zoom features and even 360-degree views. To enhance customer experience, enable the image zoom feature for a closer look at your product. Let's focus on the product variants and pricing. Shopify 2.0 makes it easy to display variants like sizes, colors, or materials on the product page. From here, click Save. Now go back to Product section from your dashboard. Now click the product, scroll down to Variants section, then click Add option like size or color. Choose color, then add color like white, then click Done. Then add another option like green color or size like L or XL, then click Done. You can add more from here. You can also display pricing in a clear way, showing discounts or previous prices. For example, you might have a was and now price to show off your sale. Just enter here your original price and sorry. From here, click enter your original price and compare a price here. Under the product information section, you can enable drop down menus for each variant. You can also display pricing in a clear way, showing discounts or previous prices. For example, you might have a was and now price to show off yourself. Customer reviews are a powerful tool to build trust. Shopify 2.0 allows you to integrate review apps like Yotpo or Looks directly into your product pages. Simply install a review app from Shopify App Store and the reviews will show up automatically on your product page. Make sure to enable star ratings and display customer photos for authenticity. Once you have customized your product page to your linking, click Save at the top. You can preview your changes by clicking View your store in the top right corner or just Preview section. And that's it. Now you know how to customize your product page with Shopify 2.0's new features with sections, blocks, and a variety of customization options. You can create a product page that truly reflects your brand. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.